Terrani. Kurt, welcome. Good to have you.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
We're going to talk about sort of the problems that you're trying to solve in this sort of war for energy all around the world. On the IPO side, is this reflecting like jitters over sort of big IPOs that don't make money yet or are revolving around questionable policies in the future?
For Standard Nuclear, for us, this was a great outcome. We're very happy to have the deal closed. We are in a very unique position, a very fortunate position, in that we're not saying, hey, we need 4 or 5 years, we need capital to go build our basic technology and deliver. We're manufacturing today. We've got customers today. We're delivering today. So this was just as a part of our long-term strategy to be able to tap into the public markets. It supports that. We're very pleased with the outcome.
The history of the company, you've had some close shaves over the years, yes? Where times have gotten tight. Yeah, where'd the hair go? Talk about sort of that journey that you've been on.
Yeah, I mean, the journey is the journey of advanced nuclear. I mean, you got to see it in the larger context of the 90s with the valley of death. Nuclear was not in fashion 20, 25 years ago. Where we are today, 20% of the electricity in the United States comes from nuclear. Those plants are retired. We need to replace them. We're talking about tripling nuclear power. We're talking that in bipartisan fashion. And then you have situations like this that you were just talking about. You need reliable energy in where you need it, be it for defense applications, for space applications, and now stack on top of that, behind the meter, the data centers, the industrial heat customers. So we need a lot of nuclear energy. Now nuclear energy is coming online in better, more advanced fashion. And this is what Standard Nuclear does. We don't build the nuclear power plants. We build the fuel. We are the universal gas station for those plants that are coming online.
Well, you also have a government right now that is pushing to expand nuclear power, which I would think would be really good for the industry. So why do you think the sentiment on Wall Street has soured a little bit on these stocks?
The administration has been incredibly effective in advancing through policy, through cutting red tape, and while preserving the rigor of nuclear safety. The way we look at the markets, it's always about the long term. Nuclear has a very, very strong foundation. Advanced nuclear is coming online. We've had a lot of success just this summer. It was coming online. And again, we're very pleased to see our customers being successful. And we're
is the pricing environment changing?
For nuclear power and energy?
Yeah.
No, the demand. This is
for what you're building.
Yeah, the demand continues to be there for defense applications, for the behind-the-meter customers, and again, all this is going to facilitate long-term, widespread grid-scale adoption.
I wonder if you think the public's acceptance of it as a technology is coming around because the cost of energy overall is hitting home, as you suggest.
The public acceptance is at very, very good levels. I mean, we see a lot of support for nuclear. Certainly, the places where we operate, where some of the hearts of the Manhattan Project and historic nuclear, where we see public support nationally. The other thing is that, again, this is why you need advanced nuclear, and this is why you need companies like Standard Nuclear that enable advanced nuclear. We're talking about walk-away safe reactors. We're talking about reactors that are inherently safe, and a lot of that has to do with the fuel, the meltdown-proof fuel that enables those reactors, and this is what we do. We manufacture and deliver that to our folks.
Is it a asset-heavy business? Is the balance sheet highly levered?
It is, unless you've spent a lot of time and a lot of pain and have developed your manufacturing technology. And this is the beauty of being at the finish line, right? Usually you talk to people, we're at the 20-yard line, we're at the 15-yard line, we're at the end zone. We have our license, we have our manufacturing capability. Yes, we have to do a lot of scaling up. Why? Because we have more demand right now, which is a very good problem to have, than supply. So now we need to scale up. And the way we scale, we replicate what works. So our modular replication really positions us to be incredibly effective.